Hi everyone, my name is Jamon today and welcome back to my channel, The Yatra Kid. As you have seen in my older videos, I have done some challenges like the hot chip challenge and also the lemon challenge because I'm broke, yeah. So this time I'm doing a momo challenge because I'm broke again. I bought 50 pieces of momo and I'll try to finish them all. So yeah, I brought two chutney here. One is aloo chutney and one is a spicy chutney. This is the momo here. So yeah, I have 50 momos here. So good. These are all chicken momos. So first I'll just keep them here. So yeah, some momos are still left. I'll just keep it for later. So let me try to finish this. Or oh yeah, I'll just keep it like this. A mountain full of momos. So guys, tell me which momo is your favorite as well. For me, I like pork momo. I'm finally ready with the momos. It's 50 momos. I hope I won't drop it. How can I focus this? Okay, okay. Okay, how can I focus this? Okay, I'm not able to focus. So yeah guys, I'm ready with my 50 momos. Okay. So guys, I'm ready with my 50 momos and I'm going to eat it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. I'll put the chutney. Oh, it's so good. It's chicken momo.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you.
Yeah, I won't give up. I'm actually quite full because I'm actually quite full because I just ate something like half an hour ago, I guess. Yeah.
Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings.
Honestly speaking, guys, it went into my brain. I mean, it went to my head. It went to my brain. It went to my head. Anything. It's all idea. And then it's chicken. That's why I don't think I can eat this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I didn't even finish off. Well, I'll try to eat at least 25 for you guys. Yeah. Last 3 pieces I'll eat, from there it's 25. I'm so full. I'm gonna. I'm so done now. Guys, if you want me to do more of these challenges, please just send me. Guys, if you want me to do more of these challenges, please do mention in the comment section so that I can check out and try out. Not something that I eat, okay? I mean, something that I eat, but like might be spicy. All this. I'm also planning to try spicy ramen because Instagram, around 2 to 3 of them DM me saying, can you please do the spicy noodle challenge? I was like, yeah, I did it before, but then you were like, can you do it again, like solo types? So I'm thinking of doing it again. Oh my god. Sorry. So it happens. It's natural types. So yeah, I think I felt this challenge miserably. I'm so full, like I'm just so full right now. Okay, I'm full. I cannot even talk, it's like stuck in here. So yeah guys, if you like this challenge, please do hit the subscribe button. If you want me to do more of such challenges, more of such boring challenges, I guess, please do subscribe. So yeah guys, as you guys know that after 2 years of working hard, I'm finally gonna reach 10,000 subscribers. So if I hit 10,000 by this month, I will go out and I'll do it there. If I reach 10,000 by this month, oh sorry, if I reach 10,000 by this month, I will go out. Oh my god. If I reach 10,000 by this month, I'll go out all together, practice some songs and go and sing for girls some songs. Peace out.